In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Agoda. We'll walk through a real booking flow so you can see exactly where and how to enter your payment details with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to the Agoda homepage. This is where every booking begins. For this walkthrough, we'll use the hotels option as an example. Click hotels to bring up the standard search form. You'll see fields for destination, travel dates, and the number of rooms and guests. Type your destination into the search box. As you type, Agoda usually suggests locations. Choose the one that best matches your plans. Next, click the date field to open the calendar. Select your check-in and check-out dates from the calendar view. If your dates are flexible, you can browse around to compare prices across different days. Now choose how many rooms you need and adjust the number of guests if necessary. When everything looks right, click Search. Agoda will load available properties that match your criteria. Take a moment to scan the results, filter if you like, and then click on a property that fits your budget and preferences to open its details page. On the property page, pick the room type you want and click Book. This takes you to the checkout page where you'll first enter customer information. Type your details carefully. Use the exact name that appears on your identification and make sure your contact information is accurate so you receive confirmation and any important updates. Double-check spellings and the country code for your contact details to avoid delivery issues. Scroll to the payment section to find the available payment methods. This is effectively where you add your bank details for the booking. Choose your preferred option and proceed. When paying by card, enter the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card. Select the expiry month and year and type the CVC or CVV security code. The security code is typically 3 digits on the back of most cards or 4 digits on the front for some cards. Ensure the information is correct to avoid declines and confirm that your billing information matches what your bank has on file. Before you finalize, review the total price, taxes, and any cancellation or change policies displayed on the page. When you're ready, click Book Now to complete the transaction. You should see a confirmation screen and you'll receive a confirmation message at the contact you provided. That's it. You've successfully added your payment details and secured your booking in Agoda.